Hey guys, hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel Vedic Soul, bridge between science and religion. Before starting today's video, wishing you all a very happy Diwali and a prosperous new year. In our daily lives, we need to take decisions, starting from the color of our clothes to the critical ones. Decisions are actually made to facilitate our future with joy and happiness. It can be taken by two ways independently. The choices which we make by our own understanding, knowledge, and experience, and second is by counseling. We often seek for advice or counseling while taking the major verdicts of our life. The counselor can be anyone teacher, well wisher, friend, family, coaches, or somebody from outside. For example, motivational speaker or a professional counselor. But do we all know one thing? The holy book Sri Bhagavad Gita, whom we only look as the religious book, is the sovereign source of motivation, knowledge, and decision making skills. Here are 5 lessons from Sri Bhagavad Gita which teaches us decision making skills. First one, do not take any decisions out of feeling or out of extreme emotions. उद्धरेतात्मनात्मानं नात्मानमवसादयेत् आत्मैव ह्यात्मनो बन्धुः आत्मैव रिपुरात्मनः, which is translated as elevate yourself through the power of your mind and do not degrade yourself. For the mind can be the friend and also the enemy for the self, which means one should learn to control their emotions, feelings, and sentiments while taking decisions which would help them not to regret in future. In Sri Bhagavad Gita, chapter 6, verse 5, it is said, the brain is human's greatest friend and the worstest enemy as well. Second one is being impartial. Suharan mitraryudasena madhyastadvesha bandhushu sadushvyapi cha papeshu samabuddhir visheshyate, which means one should be free from any type of feelings such as happiness, anger, jealousy, greed, etc. to make the correct choices in life. Third, think with a calm mind. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Asamsayam Mahabaho Mano Durnigrahachalam Abhyasena tu Kaunteya Vairagyena cha grihyate, which is translated as Lord Krishna said, O mighty armed son of Kunti, what you say is correct. The mind is in need very difficult to restrain, but by practice and attachment it can be controlled. Which means Supreme Divine Personality Shri Krishna agrees when Arjun said, mind is restless. It is turbulence which keeps flitting in several directions from subject to subject. Shri Krishna said it can be controlled by abhyas, which means practice, and vairagya, which means detachment. Taking decisions without attachment or anger leads to the correct. कर्मणेव हि संसिद्धिम् आस्थिता जनकादयः लोकसङ्ग्रहमेवापि समपश्यन् कर्तुमर्हसि यद्यदाचरितश्रेष्ठः तद्देवेतरो जनः स यत्प्रमाणं कुरुते लोकस्तद अनुवर्तते, which is translated as by performing the prescribed duties, King Janak and others attained perfection. You should also perform your duty work to set an example for the good of the world. Whatever actions great persons perform, common people follow. Whatever standards they set, all the world pursues. Which means Parthasarathi is considered as Lord just because Shri Krishna has kept his goal much higher than the average person. So always ask yourself while making a decision that is your goal high enough? Could you easily achieve that? While making any decision, always keep your thinking and goals high. Now fifth and the last one, have faith in your decision. Ashraddha hutam dattam tapastaptam krutam chayat asidyuchyate parthah na cha tat pretyano iha, which is translated as, O son of Pritha, whatever act of sacrifice or penance are done without faith are termed as asat. They are useless both in the world and next. In order to firmly establish, all the activities should be performed with faith. Shankadhar says that all those who act without faith in the scriptures do not get good fruits in life because their actions are not perfectly executed. These were the 5 lessons from Sri Bhagavad Gita about decision making. Hope you guys found it relevant and I hope you guys would use it in your life.